Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful flower ring using silver clay. It's a fun and relaxing project, and the best part is, you can easily make it at home. Let's get started. First, knead your silver clay well with your hands. This helps remove air bubbles, and makes the moisture more even throughout. Take a small amount and roll it into a ball. Then, gently press one side with your finger to shape it into a teardrop. Place a piece of parchment paper on top and press it down lightly with an acrylic board. Use a small round dome tool to shape the center. Then draw petal lines with a needle tool. Finally, use your fingers to gently pinch the sides inward to form a soft petal shape. Repeat this process to make 4 petals. Now, roll a small amount of silver clay into 3 tiny balls. These will be used for the flower center. Once the pieces are naturally dry, you can start assembling your flower. First, make a small base by rolling a little silver clay into a ball and flattening it. Apply some silver clay paste on top. Then place your petals one by one. Add a bit more paste to the center and place the small balls to finish your flower. Use a crafting tool to gently fill in any gaps. Let it dry to a leather-hard, semi-dry stage. Then smooth the edges with sanding sponges. And use a brush to sweep away the silver powder from the petals. Next, let's make the ring band. Roll the silver clay into a ball and shape it into a strip about 7 centimeters long. Lightly brush some water or a tiny bit of oil, like olive oil, onto the sizing paper wrapped around a ceramic ring core. Carefully wrap the clay strip around the core. If the strip is too long, overlap the ends, trim diagonally with a craft knife, remove the extra clay, and join the ends with water. Use a carving tool to smooth the seam. Let it dry to a leather-hard stage. Check for any gaps at the seam and fill with a little clay if needed. Then smooth the surface with sanding sponges. Now it's time to bring everything together. Use silver clay paste to attach your flower to the ring band. If there are any gaps, use your tool to patch and smooth them out. Let it dry to a semi-dry stage and lightly sand again before letting it dry fully. Once it's completely dry, it's ready for firing. This time, we used kiln firing at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you're using a gas stove, please check out our gemstone ring tutorial for more firing instructions. After firing, use tools to help remove the ring from the ring core. Then use a steel brush to remove the white oxidized layer. This will reveal a clean, shiny silver surface. Finally, use a polishing stick and polishing cloth to make your flower ring sparkle. And just like that, you've created your very own silver flower ring. Here are a few helpful tips to get the best results. First, apply a little lotion to your hands before working with silver clay. This helps prevent fingerprints and stickiness. Second, making a base for the flower helps the petals attach more easily. Third, Always make sure your piece is completely dry before firing. If you'd like to try silver clay jewelry making, check out our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop for beginner kits that include all the basic tools you need to get started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. We'd love to hear about your creations or any tutorial ideas you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!